use the elements that we've learned about concentrations, fractions, ratios to percentages, proportions. Let's use that and let's solve a problem, okay? So let's go right into it. How many milliliters of a 1 to 500 weight per volume solution is used to make 3 liters? So we got 3 liters of a 1 to 2,000 weight per volume solution. All right. So it's asking me, it says how many milliliters. Okay. So that's the first thing that I'm noticing here. It wants to know how many milliliters. All right. So from here, what I'm basically going to do is first I'll say, okay, looking at my ratios that I'm giving, how can I turn those into percentages? Okay. This is going to be much easier to work with. Why? Because we already know that a percentage is just something over 100. All right. So let's first convert from ratio to percentage. And how are we going to do that? Well, for the first one here, for this one, we'll say 1 over 500 is equal, and we'll just equal it to x over 100 because a percentage is always something over 100 and cross multiply. And from there, let's see, 500x and 100. So the answer that we should get in this case would be 0.2%. So this is a 0.2% solution. And our second one, which is 1 to 2,000 ratio. So we did the same thing that we did with the last one. And what is a percent? It's some number out of 100. So we cross multiply there. Let's see, 2,000x, and then we got 100. So the answer that we should get in this case is x would equal 0.05% here. All right, for that solution. Now, keep in mind, they told us that we have 3 liters of this solution, okay? This is how much we need to make of this solution. We need to make 3 liters of it. All right, so now that I know my percentages, now what am I going to do? Well, I can take my 2 percentages that are given. So I can take my 0.2%, and it's okay to put percent, and I'll place it over the like unit, which is 0.05%, and equal that to what? All right, so what other piece of information have they given me? Well, I know that I'm trying to find how much of this 0.05%. Well, I'm trying to find 3 liters. What I'm going to do is kind of reverse engineer this problem and say, since I'm looking for, in this case, how many milliliters of this is going to be used to make 3 liters of this, well, let me take the 3 liters, let me manipulate it a little bit, and I'll put the 3 liters on the top.